Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Chris Wu, the product manager from Fang Chemical Industry. Thank you for having me here. Today, I'm going to talk about the composite film for EV dismantle PV modules encapsulation. This is my agenda today. I have divided my presentation to three parts. I'm going to start with a brief introduction about my company, Fang Chemical Industry. Then I will talk about the easy dismantle PV module and the composite film. And also the film technology we have now to make our innovative design happen. And then we can have a Q&A. Okay, let's start with our company profile. Fang Chemical Industry was founded in 1973 and headquartered in Kaohsiung City, Taiwan. And our company went public in 1985 in Taiwan. The registered capital is about 140 billion euro. And we have over 3,100 employees around the world and 4 manufacturing plants in Taiwan, China, Vietnam, and Indonesia. And we started our film production in 2012 and began to develop EVA film for PV panels in 2020. Like many companies does, to pursue sustainability, Fang aims to be an eco-friendly manufacturer and continue to make efforts to reduce carbon emission and develop in green energy technology in recent years. And we keep reducing the carbon emission year after year, from 58,000 tons of carbon dioxide in 2017 to now 35,000 tons of carbon dioxide in 2020. And we are committed and continuously to reduce it more in the future. During the production, we also comply the requirements of rules which DDHC and the OCOTEX, those international standards. All we want to do is to make sure we can continuously get greener for the next day. So let's begin to talk about the composite film for easy dismantle PV module. So currently, there are over 100 gigawatt new PV modules are being installed globally every year. And worldwide solar installation have exceeded 600 gigawatts in 2020. However, the lifespan of solar panel is around 20 to 25 years, and then we are expected to encounter over 100 million tons of solar panel waste by 2050, and the forecasted quantity of the solar waste, even including the early replacement of PV module. As a result, recycling waste module is a must-do for sure. According to the WEEE directive, the EU has decided to promote the practice of extended producer responsibility for PV panels, and the responsibility of the producers is including collection, transport, and recycling photovoltaic panels in every single EU country. There are 4 categories of producers, which are manufacturers, distributors or set resellers, importers, and the internet or distance sellers. It means every single person in this business is obligated to do recycling. And as for the current recycle process of end-of-life PV module, which is considered as a downcycling, the waste management companies have to decommission the PV modules and quash them and do waste sorting from the fragments and bury them in the landfills in the end. The whole process might be easy, but not still have space to get improved. So how are we gonna do this? In order to upgrade the recycling, we have come up with a solution, the composite film. What is composite film? composite film, as the name implies, consists of more than one material. With Fang solar coat composite film process, the film is able to be multifunctional, and this is a key to make a PV module disassembled. Since we replace the thermoset encapsulant with a thermoplastic one. Furthermore, how is the PV module easy dismantle? Because easy dismantle PV module use solar coat composite film as an encapsulant. The composite film is thermoplastic-based materials. As a result, when the modules go through the heating process, when dismantled, we can lower the damage rate of module by simply heating up the modules. We can keep the cell intact. Meanwhile, the encapsulant still features the EVA main encapsulant properties. The whole process will be very helpful to do the recycling. So what is the benefit of these dismantle modules? In this page, you can see a comparison between the traditional PV modules and the easy dismantle PV modules. The encapsulant for the traditional one is the thermoset material like EVA or PO. And the encapsulant for easy dismantle PV module is the thermoplastic-based material. As you can see the picture on the left bottom, the solar cells are open to be broken after dismantled. On the other hand, the picture on the right, the EV dismantle PV module after dismantled, we can have the complete solar cells. Furthermore, the dismantle method for the easy dismantle PV module is exactly the same as the traditional one. Now need to adjust the pressure or temperature. The fully recycle at the same cost we can get. Thus, this innovative design easy dismantle module can be an ideal solution for us to facilitate high-value recycle. Now we can do the precision sorting to collect cells, backsheet, glass, silver, and copper. Once the module can be disassembled as a whole, the wafer easily and remanufactured to reclaim the wafers or new cells. And now, high-value recycling meet the demand of circular economy and continue to promote green energy. Now, also, we have to mention about the reliability of the solar coat composite film. Let's take a look at the reliability of solar coat composite film. According to the lab test result, the composite film has quite excellent performance to the EVA film. In the light transmittance test, the test result shows that the value is over 90%, like the EVA one. As for the haze percentage, composite film's value is less than 1%. It's like the EVA 2. For the volume resistivity, composite film and the EVA, but in the water vapor transmission test, since composite film has innovative design, the value can be less than 20 grams square meter per day, compared to the EVA has less than 70 grams square meter per day. In the end, people may worry about the thermoplastic film heating strength. However, the composite film still has same performance as the EVA. The maximum and average heating strength on the glass is over 60, and for the backsheet is over 40. So obviously, the solar coat composite film is very reliable, and also it's not need to mention that it is easy disassembled. All right. Here, let's compare the easy dismantle PV module and regular EVA PV module. In the N-type PID test and then heat test, let's look at the N-type PID test first. First module is 60 cell solar panel. The initial power output value for easy dismantle module is similar to EVA module, which is 267 watts. So after light soaking treatment for 96 hours, and 96 hours of PID and up to 300 hours of PID at 1000 volts. We can see that the power loss, dry, and wet insolation resistance tests are all in an acceptable outcome. So the power loss for EV dismantle PV module is less than 1%, and for a regular one, it's around 1%. And for the insolation resistance, they're quite the same, around 20,000 megohm for the dry insolation resistance, and about 2,000 megohm for the wet insolation resistance. So, and then let's look at the damp heat test. We are using the same type of module to do the comparison. The 60-cell solar panel. Compare the easy dismantle module and the regular one. We can see the power output loss and insolation resistance after light soaking and damp heat treatment for 1000 hours. The outcome are also similar or acceptable. For the ED dismantle PV module, the power loss is around 1.5. For the regular PV module, no less than 1% or even better than it before. So for the dry insolation resistance, after 1000 hours damp heat treatment, still can have the acceptable outcome. And for the last but not least, the composite film CTI test, these products still pass the comparative tracking test at 600 volt, which is the must pass test for every PV module encapsulator. Still can do it. In the section 3, I would like to talk about Fang's film production technology. Here, I would like to start with Fang's facility first. The film is made by the T-die production line. We have 6 film production lines in total, which can generate the capacity of 2 million yards per month. And the design of the T-die production line is co-extrusion. We have the ability to do high precision extrusion control. The film can keep in a stable thickness and uniformity. And the finished product also shows stable melt flow index. Furthermore, the production lines are equipped with thickness monitoring system and surface inspection system to ensure the quality of the products. Finally, as we mentioned many times above, Fang's core technology is the 3 materials co-extrusion. We are able to have the film made of multiple materials. The option is from 1 up to 3, which we can mix them up to fulfill customers' needs. And the thickness of the film can be controlled in range from 0.05 millimeter to 1.0 millimeter, depending on the option of materials. The features of our technology are customized and the versatile design, and the whole production process is very efficient. Can do them all in one time. With Fang's technology, we are capable of making your innovative design happen. In the end, thank you for listening. Again, my name is Chris Wu, the product manager from Fang Chemical Applied Material team. Here is my contact information. Should you have any interest in solar core composite film, I'll be more than happy to hear from you. That's a wrap. Thank you. Have a good day.